In this video, I'm going to show you how to share thread on Instagram story. You may have seen people sharing their thread on Instagram story. It's pretty simple and easy. On your thread homepage, navigate to the bottom where you locate the post icon and tap on it. Then you can continue to enter your thread here. In my case, I'm going to type share and continue to post. So my post has been posted. So in order to view it, I can proceed to click on my profile icon on the bottom right corner. There you are. This is my post that I currently made. In order to share this thread to my Instagram story, all I have to do is to navigate to this arrow icon and tap on it. Then I have the option to add to story. I'll proceed to tap on it. There you are. Your thread has been highlighted into your Instagram story. So you can continue to add text or GIF or any other things that you want to add it to. After that, you can navigate to the bottom right corner and tap on this arrow icon. So a pop-up menu will appear here. All you have to do is to click on share and continue to hit on done. So you have successfully shared your thread to your Instagram story. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider to check out our next video. See you in the next video.